My name is Risham. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the father of our nation. He said, "This time the struggle is for our freedom. This time the struggle for our independence." Sheikh Mujibur Rahman loved the children very much.
My name is Kaji Adila. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of the nation. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the architect of independent Bangladesh. He is recognized as the greatest Bengali of the past 1,000 years. This great leader was born on 17th March 1920 at Tungipara in Gopalganj. His father's name was Sheikh Lutfur Rahman and mother's name was Shaira Khatun. The father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's history address on the 7th March 1971 at a mammoth gathering at the racecourse marked a turning point in the history of the Bengali nation. In his address, he made a clarion call saying, "Build force in each homestead. You must resist the Pakistani army with whatever you have in hand."
Hey, my name is Mujibur Rahman and I read in class 7. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of the nation. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is not a mere individual. He is an institution, a movement, a revolution. He is the architect of a nation. He himself is the history. The future will call him the champion of eternal time. He is a friend to the mass. He is the father to the nation.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nashin Tabassum, the father of the nation. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the architect of independent Bangladesh. March 17th, National Children's Day, and as well as in birth anniversary of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's father, Sheikh Lutfur Rahman, was the Sherestadar of the Civil Court of Gopalganj. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman passed his matriculation from Gopalganj Missionary School in 1942, intermediate from Arts of Islamia College in 1944, and BA from the same college in 1947. A charismatic organizer, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman had established his firm control over his party. Bangabandhu's eldest daughter, Sheikh Hasina, is the current Prime Minister of the country.
My name is Iftekhar Raihan. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the first president of Bangladesh. He was born on 17th March 1920 in the village of Tungipara under Gopalganj. He was one of the first among the language movement detains. He declared the independence on 26 March 1971. Mujib is regarded as Jatir Pita. On 7th March, he gave a speech. In the speech, he proclaimed, "This time the struggle is for our freedom. This time the struggle is for our independence."
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Marjan Hussain. Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was taller than the average Bengali, had the same dark complexion, and spoke in a vibrant voice. He was not educated abroad, nor he was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. Yet he was as dear to the educated Bangladeshi compatriots as to the illiterate and half-educated masses. He did not climb leadership overnight. It has been a slow and steady process. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the father of our nation. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is our idol. In the eyes of the people in the third world, he is the model of peace and development in Asia.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salman Aziz. I read in class 6. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of the nation. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the architect of the independent Bangladesh. He is recognized as the greatest Bengali of the past 1,000 years. This great leader was born on 17 March 1920 at Tungipara in Gopalganj. He was the Prime Minister, sometime President of Bangladesh, but unfortunately, he was assassinated by some misguided army officers on 15 August 1975. It is considered a great loss for the nation. Nothing can compensate the loss. He was engraved at Tungipara.
My name is Sumaya. We got our independence on 16 December 1971. Bangabandhu is the father of our nation. He, along with his 3 sons and wife, was killed on August 1975. If we remain focused on the above strategies, I feel confident that Bangladesh will move forward in the direction as envisaged by our father of the nation. Certainly, we will be able to work with Bangabandhu towards prosperity.
My name is Zaid Khan Zahin. I read in class 7. We all know about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, shortened as Sheikh Mujib or just Mujib, was a Bangladeshi politician and also statesman. He is called the father of nation in Bangladesh. He is credited as an important figure in efforts to gain political autonomy for East Pakistan. He then later became a central figure behind Bangladesh's liberation movement and liberation war. Because of him, Bangladesh later became an independent country. That's why he is titled as Jatir Janak or Jatir Pita. Today, his daughter Sheikh Hasina is the current leader of Bangladesh. His contributions made Bengali people proud.
My name is Shamsun Arfin Nolin. The father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, is the architect of independent Bangladesh. His father's name was Sheikh Lutfur Rahman and mother's name was Sayara Khatun. He was the first Prime Minister of Bangladesh. He was engraved at Tungipara.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadman Aziz Nehal. I read in class 7. Today I am going to tell about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The birth of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was a history in the context of Bangladesh, as the emergence of the country as an independent state would not have been possible, at least in 1971, without his birth. Bangabandhu was awarded with the title Father of the Nation of Bangladesh for his lifelong struggle and leadership for the freedom of the country like other leaders.
My name is Riddhi. The way Sheikh Mujibur Rahman turned a non-violent movement of unarmed masses into an armed struggle that successfully brought into reality of the liberation of a new nation and the creation of a new state. His historic declaration in the meeting on 7th March was our struggle this time is for freedom, our struggle this time is for independence.
My name is Kaji Adiba. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman headed the Awami League and was the first president of Bangladesh during the Bangladesh Liberation War and later became Prime Minister in independent Bangladesh. He is popularly referred to as Sheikh Mujib with the honorary title of Bangabandhu. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the undisputedly organizer of independent Bangladesh. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman lives in the heart of his people. Bangladesh and Bangabandhu are one and embedded.
My name is Aspia Khan Moli. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Bangabandhu is the best of thousands of years. He is the father of our nation. In the history of this nation, the sacrifice of Bangabandhu has been written in golden verse. From his student life, he thought for his country and the people of his country. He loved his country a lot. He fought for establishing our mother tongue Bangla also. He was unbreakable. Bangla was his country, Bangla was his language, and he told that he was a Bengali. He will be remembered in the heart of all people of Bangladesh. In a nutshell, I can say he is a great leader. We should show our deep respect for him.
Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the father of our nation. He spent most of his year in spending jail because of our win of the liberation war of our country. He spent 10 years of his life in this jail and he died at the age of only 53 years. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman gave us set us an example of how to lead our country and how to love our country. He helped us and set us an example by leading our country to the liberation war winning. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he was himself a history. He is an godfather of our nation. He had been given this mantle because of our father of the nation, of his brilliant way of leading our country. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is the most important person in all of our Bangladeshi people, because he is the way we became free from the Pakistan. We became free from the tortures of the Pakistan.
My name is Shakira Bintu Shohid. Sheikh Mujib is called the father of nation of Bangladesh. He served as the first president of Bangladesh and later as the prime minister of Bangladesh. He is considered to be the driving force behind the independence of Bangladesh. He got the title of Bangabandhu by the people of Bangladesh. Thus he regarded Jatir Janak or Jatir Pita, both meaning father of the nation of Bangladesh.